traffic 500 Echo Bravo. This is 340 doing a GPS approach 23. We'll break off early to join the right downwind for 13, then stay out there, flight way.
Venice traffic 1625 Tango Kilo runway 13 on Echo.
Alright, make sure ground lean. Flaps are up. We did all this stuff. Alright, brakes set. I'll go ahead and get my other phone out.
Venice traffic 1625 Tango, taxiing via Delta to the FDO.
Traffic Sky Magnetic for Alpha going for left here, right downwind 13 minutes. Venice traffic for 200 Delta, entering the right downwind for runway 13, touch and go.
Venice traffic, this is Bonanza 322 Juliet Pop. We are 12 miles to the west, looking to join a pattern. Going to join a right crosswind, runway 13.
Traffic, going to have long flags, raise overhead field, enter ground entry for right traffic 13, full stop. Traffic Scout 906 for Alpha doing a right 360 for separation between traffic, turning crosswind.
Traffic, this is 551, right downwind 13 for Alpha.
Venice traffic for 200 Delta, turning right base, runway 13, stop and go. Venice. Venice traffic, November 500 Echo Bravo 340, crossing about 2 miles to the east across the midfield for a right downwind 13, 2,000 feet.
Check.
Venice traffic, Cessna 551 is going to do a short approach 13 Venice.
Look at that fucking thing. Venice traffic, anybody on final for 13?
Venice traffic for 200 Delta, turning final runway 13 Venice. Venice traffic Scout 906 for Alpha, established left right downwind 1. For X-ray is a 2 mile 45 behind Alpha for right traffic 13.
Venice traffic, Bonanza 323 Juliet Pop, 5 miles to the west, joining right crosswind, runway 13. Venice.
Venice traffic, Stock Noble 17409, 4.5 nautical miles to the northwest for RNAV 13, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic for 200 Delta, short final, touch and go, runway 13, Venice.
Venice white green Skyhawk, about a 4-mile final runway 13. Going to be a low approach only, traffic permitting Venice.
Echo Bravo. Midfield right downwind for 13 behind Alpha.
Venice traffic, Norman 5551 is turning final for 13 Venice traffic, Bonanza 333 Juliet Pop. We are now joining right crosswind for 13. Venice.
This traffic Scout 906 for Alpha. Venice traffic 48, 200 Delta on up on the extend
Venice traffic, white Skyhawk. 2 mile final 13, low approach only, traffic permitting Venice.
Venice traffic, Skyhawk, Master Alpha final 33 minutes.
Come on.
143 is turn 1.5 mile final for 13 minutes.
Hey Wayne, you see that guy on short final?
Yeah, I sure do. I'm backing off here.
Max drop 125, max difference 50. Only want 1700.
551 is clear of runway 13 minutes.
Venice traffic 48, 200 Delta, turning right crossing runway 13 minutes.
Venice traffic, what's up with your go bit? Runway 13 minutes.
And we're stuck in Oh, and one ammeter. That looks good too. Oh wait. RP.
Venice traffic, 500 Echo Bravo, turning at right base for 13 Venice.
Okay. Throttle's idle. Car Pete's off.
Venice traffic,
I'm just
Centurion moving into position for departure on
Flight
13
instruments.
for landing traffic to clear. Traffic 964 Alpha Alpha Kilo active. Venice traffic, Centurion departing 31 or 13. Venice traffic 48, 200 Delta, turning right down runway 13 Venice. Venice traffic 500 Echo Bravo 340, final 13 Venice.
Are you going over there? I don't know what this guy's doing.
Alpha X-ray is crosswind for 13.
Venice traffic, Bonanza 323 Juliet 5, making right base, runway 13 minutes.
Venice traffic to white 172 at the end of 13. Are you going to be taking back off?
Who are you talking to?
White 172, Foxtrot, Foxtrot.
And what's your question?
Are you going to be taking off? I'm the 150 right in front of you.
Yeah, we'll be ready as soon as all the airplanes are out of the way. There's one on short final still.
Yeah, I got you. Just curious your intentions. Thank you.
Venice traffic, 873 Echo Fox, 5 miles northwest, RNAV 13. Venice.
Alpha X-ray is downwind 13 Venice. Venice traffic 48, 200 Delta, turning right base, runway 13 Venice. Venice traffic, Echo Bravo 340 is clear, 13 Venice. Pressurization work? Yep, perfect. That's good to hear. Only one squawk. Very simple.
Hey Mark, room to get out?
Oh yeah, we're heading back north for another one.
Venice traffic, Cessna 81, Foxtrot, Foxtrot, taking off runway 13, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic, 873 Echo Fox, 3 mile final, RNAV 13. Venice. Venice traffic, traffic, Warrior 831, November Delta, short final, runway 13, Venice traffic.
We're rolling. Bonanza, you going clear?
Yeah, we're starting on down to that runway here. Jeez.
Okay, Echo Fox, 14 X-ray will extend for you to land, but there's been a lot of straight-ins today. Venice.
Bonanza is clear of the runway. Okay.
Hey, nope. Up to me, I guess.
Okay, 73 Echo Fox, 2 mile final, RNAV, 130 Venice.
And 14 X-ray is turning base behind Echo Fox. 2 mile base.
Venice traffic, Bonanza 3 deal top of crossing 523 for the ramp, Venice.
Venice traffic, Cessna 81, Foxtrot, turning to the northeast and departing the pattern of Foxtrot.
Venice traffic, Skyflight 441 is 10 miles to the east. I will join the left downwind for runway 13 out of 45. Venice traffic 32769 is 5 miles to the south. We'll be joining midfield right downwind 13 Venice. 3 Juliet pops clear 523 Venice.
And 14 X-ray is 1.5 mile final. 13 Venice.
Venice traffic, Warrior 8 November Delta, on upwind. We're going to depart the pattern to the east. Venice.
If you want to roll out with me once the sky lands. Traffic number 873 Echo Foxtrot to runway 17, Bravo, Venice.
I'll try and make Bravo here for you.
Venice traffic 32769 in the 45 for midfield right downwind 13 Venice. Venice traffic to the 95551 is lining up runway 13 Venice.
X-ray is clear.
Venice traffic to the 571 departing 13. Venice 57 Golf lining up 13 Venice. Venice 57 Golf departing 13 Venice.
Morning, South.
Good morning to that.
Venice traffic, 476 Tango Charlie, lining up and waiting at 13.
Venice, my good morning.
crosswind 13 Venice.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie departing 13.
Venice traffic 32769, turning base, runway 13. Venice traffic, this is Sky, number 178, Charlie, number 113 from southeast departure, Venice traffic. Venice traffic 32769, turning final, runway 13.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie turning right, crosswind 13.
This is Sky, number 78, Charlie, number departing from runway 13 for southeast departure, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic, number 9555, Venice on the right, please, 13 Venice. Traffic, Stock 870 Sierra Alpha is on a 7-mile final on the RNAV 13. We'll be coming in traffic permitting. Traffic.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie right downwind 13.
Traffic number 9555 is on the finance for 13 Venice.
This one is 10 miles out. We're on the RNAV 9 approach, full stop.
Traffic 32769, turning crosswind 13. Venice traffic, Skyflight 441 is just to the west of the downwind, and I'll follow in behind the traffic turning crosswind now. Skyflight 441.
Night traffic, Scott.
Venice traffic 32769, downwind 13.
Peter night traffic, Sky, November 1097 Yankee, 10 miles to the east. Gonna come join us 45 left downwind for runway 409.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie is right, base 13, touch and go Venice.
Traffic, Stock 878 Sierra Alpha is 4-mile final, will be number 2 behind Tango Charlie. Venice traffic. Venice traffic, number 555, and another crossing 12 Venice.
base 20 and 70. That's okay. And then we should be looking at 65. Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie on final, touch and go, Venice.
Venice traffic 878 Sierra Alpha, about 2.5 mile final, 13 will be number 2, touch and go, Venice traffic.
We're also high, so...
Venice traffic, Cessna 441 is going to join the right downwind for runway 13 behind 551. We're touch and go, Venice. Venice traffic 32769 extending our downwind for the traffic on final for Venice.
Thank you, appreciate it, 69. Venice traffic number 9, 555 on the end of right downwind 131.
Venice traffic 32769, turn in base 13 Venice.
Venice traffic, Cessna 81 Foxtrot Foxtrot, 6 miles to the north inbound. Venice traffic.
Final, runway 13.
So 8075 is short on final 13 is going to be a touch and go. I think we're going to go 60 on final.
Venice traffic, Cessna 551 right base 13, number 38 in pattern.
Figure 9 traffic, I'm at 26 off by downwind, runway 4, figure 9.
Oh, I'm getting blown now.
Fox Fox is on about a 3 mile final, 13 minutes.
Venice traffic, Skyflight 441 is going to extend the downwind for 81 Foxtrot Foxtrot.
Thank you, sir.
Venice traffic, Cessna 551 is on final 13, number 2.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie is right crosswind 13, remaining in pattern.
Venice traffic 878 Sierra Alpha is on the go, 13.
Venice traffic.
And thanks again, Skyflight. Fox Fox will just be a low approach only. You can turn at any time.
Thanks for the heads up, Skyflight 441.
Venice traffic, White Skyhawk, 10 mile final, 13, low approach only, traffic permitting, Venice.
Venice traffic, Skyflight 441 is turning right base for runway 13, touch and go.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, turning right downwind 13, touch and go, Venice.
Venice traffic 878 Sierra Alpha is right crosswind 13. We've got that downwind traffic in sight. We'll be following behind them. Venice traffic. Venice traffic 878 Sierra Alpha is departing the pattern to the south. See you.
Venice traffic, Skyflight 441 is turning final for runway 13, touch and go, and departure back to the east. Venice traffic.
Crystal for traffic, Mooney, 500, 10 to the north, inbound to landing will be a left, downwind runway 9, full stop, Swift River.
Internet traffic, Sky 97 Yankees, turning final runway 4 Peter.
Traffic Cessna 551 is turning right crosswind, runway 13, Venice.
Venice traffic, Sky number 17409, 7 miles, RNAV 13, Venice traffic, straight in.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, I've got traffic on final 13, I'll be extending my downwind.
Traffic Helmet 9555 under the right downwind 13 Venice.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, turning right base 13, touch and go Venice.
Venice traffic, Sky number 17409, RNAV 13, straight in, 5 miles, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, turning final 13, touch and go Venice.
Venice traffic, Sky flight 441 is on the upwind for runway 13.
Venice traffic Helmet 9555 under on the right base 13 Venice.
Venice traffic, Sky flight 441 departing the upwind to the east, last call, Venice. Venice traffic, Sky number 17409, 3 miles, RNAV 13, Venice traffic.
White Skyhawk, 3 mile final, runway 13, low approach only, traffic permitting. Venice.
so far. But that's why we're doing this. We could probably still do a couple more, and that would be fine with me. And I'm excited, because I really wanted to do this. Glad we're getting this practice in today. We really needed it. Pier 9 traffic, we're 866 right downwind, runway 4, Pier 9. Center traffic turning right crosswind okay, 476, Tango Charlie, turning right crosswind, Venice, will be a touch and go remaining in downer. Venice traffic, Partner 174 guide, going mid on runway 13, Venice traffic. Venice traffic 476, Tango Charlie is right downwind 13, touch and go Venice. Pier 9 traffic, Warrior 1866, right base, touch and go for runway 4, Pier 9.
Venice Unicom, Skyhawk 814.
Venice traffic 878 Sierra Alpha is 6 miles to the southwest. We're going to be joining the right downwind for 13 at 45, Venice traffic. Peter 9 traffic, Warrior 866, going around runway 04, right close traffic, 0.
So right now I am at 75. We're putting in 10 flat.
We request fuel truck.
I'm going to stay at 70. Because that's Pier 9 traffic, we're at 81866, right crosswind, runway 04, Pier 9. And we need to be descending. So let's descend.
Traffic 878 Sierra Alpha is on a 5-mile final for runway 5. We're going to circle and join the right downwind for 13. Traffic permitting, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic 476, Tango Charlie turning right base, runway 13, touch and go, Venice. I feel like I'm going faster than what this airspeed is actually showing me, so it's kind of weird. Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie is final 13, touch and go Venice. 60. Full flap. 30. I'm seeming a little, it's showing me that I'm low right now, so I'm going to put a little power. And we're going to maintain 60. Okay, so we kind of jumped up to 65. Let's get back to 60. Okay. We're at 55. Going power now. Okay.
Fast traffic 8780 Alpha is joining the right downwind for 13 fast traffic.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, upwind 13 remaining in pattern, Venice. Oh, is that my third one? I think so. We're knocking them all out today, boys.
Traffic 8780 Alpha is base with final 13 for the approach. Get some Delta.
Traffic, we're at 66, turning final 134. Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, right crosswind 13.
Traffic Cessna 6619 Alpha 6 and will remain in the pattern.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, turning right downwind 13, touch and go Venice. Oh my God.
More early on that departure there, but 8780 Alpha is turning crosswind for 13, last call.
I think what it is like I'm flying my pattern too tightly.
And Venice traffic, Skyhawk 6619 Alpha is on a right crosswind, and we will depart to the south 19 Alpha.
is gorgeous out here today. What time is it? I don't know, I could fly up the coast and come back, but I don't know. Not sure what I'll do. I guess I'll go ahead and do another landing. Venice traffic, 476 Tango Charlie, turning right base, 13, touch and go, Venice. I'm at 70. I don't feel like I want to put any more flaps in, you know what I mean? So I think I'm going to try and just sort of do what feels right here instead of what I think I'm supposed to do. Degrees of flaps, 65-ish. Oh crap. Venice traffic, 476 Tango Charlie, final 13, touch and go Venice. So now we're at 60, and I don't even have my full flaps in right now. It keeps jumping.
Venice traffic, Centurion's 3,300 feet over the top of the field. Is somebody operating a drone up here? NOTAM. Oh, it's in the NOTAM. Thanks.
Okay, so I'm going to put this right here, and then I like how we are looking. 65, those are a little low. I have 20 flaps in. I'm not going to put full yet. Now we're on the glide slope. Alright, I need to be slowing down, and I don't want to even full flap yet. Okay, I got full now. Going 60. We're sinking quickly. Ugh, these keep being rough. Alright, so I think we definitely got time.
Venice traffic, Cessna 81, Foxtrot 5 to the northeast, inbound for runway at 23, Venice, 13, Venice traffic.
Traffic 476 Tango Charlie, upwind 13. Oh my goodness! This is fucking work. I think I'm going to try to just like one more. Let me see what my hob's out was 692. We're already at 693, so this is definitely the last one. So we're going to end up going over from now on now. And I did not want to do that, so I'm glad I realized. Let me see this. 692.1. And we're at 693. Okay. Venice traffic, 476 Tango Charlie, right crosswind, 13. 5, circle to land at 520 feet to runway 13, Venice traffic.
Traffic 48-166, going around runway 409.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, turning right downwind 13, full stop, Venice.
Venice traffic, White Skyhawk, about 6 miles to the west, we'll be entering a right downwind, 1 tree, full stop, Venice.
Peter 09 traffic, Warrior 866, right downwind, runway 04, touch and goes, Peter 09.
I guess I'm like proud of myself for doing this, making myself do this. So I'm already kind of low right now, but I guess we'll just maintain that. We're at 850 feet. And I'm just saying everything right now to help me later, like what's going on. The other thing is the beach throws you off your pattern because it angles into the north, like into the field, so it makes you try to fly parallel to the beach instead of the runway, which just kind of throws me off.
Venice traffic, Cessna 81 Foxtrot, over the airport at 1,500 feet.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie is in midfield right downwind 13.
Venice traffic, Mooney 341 Juliet Sierra, departing the ramp at Alpha Company Aviation, taxiway Alpha for runway 13, Venice traffic. Venice traffic, Skycamera 17409, 3 miles from runway 5, going to join the right downwind for runway 13, circle to land, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic, White Skyhawk 409, 3 miles to the west, we'll be entering a right downwind, runway 13, full stop, Venice.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, turning right base 13, full stop, Venice.
Peter 09 traffic, Warrior 8166, right crosswind 04, Peter 09.
Venice traffic, stock number 17409, joining right base for runway 13, Venice traffic.
Venice traffic 476 Tango Charlie, final 13, full stop, Venice. Okay, now we bring her home.
Peter 09 traffic, Warrior 8166, right downwind, runway 409.
65, 20 degrees of flaps. And the Pappy is saying that we are low. So we are not going to lower flaps anymore right now, and I'm at 65.
Venice traffic, stock number 17409, turning right base, runway 13 Venice traffic.
Alright, let's see if we can make this a good one. Because I do want to make that first taxiway also, so get this plane down. Full flap, 60. Coming down quickly. 55. Okay. Okay. Hold it. Okay, that was good.
Venice traffic, number 17409, turning final, runway 13, Venice traffic.
That was actually great. I tried to just keep it smooth without like pulling back on the yoke and all that. But you also did not get a nose wheel shimmy today. Thank God for that. Slow down. Alright, and now turn. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to sort of put it like this. Alright, so we're going to go up this taxiway. Bring up these flaps. Let's get our landing off. See what else.
Venice traffic, sky number 17409, turning on.
Car seats off.
Venice traffic.
Flaps were up, trim, set for takeoff.
Venice traffic, Mooney 341 Juliet Sierra, taking off, runway 13, and via departure to the right turnout, departure to the northwest. Venice traffic.
Maybe keep this at an hour today. I can get this thing shut off before the hob takes up one more.
Venice traffic, Skyhawk, it's Echo Fox, departing runway 13, Venice.
We made it.